Hello students, today's topic is cysteine metabolism, which is a non-essential sulfur-containing and glucosonic amino acid. So important metabolic reactions of cysteine we'll discuss today. Number one is glutathione, synthesis of glutathione from cysteine. This has already been discussed in glycine metabolism. Number two is synthesis of taurine, which is another amino acid. So first, cysteine undergoes oxidation to cysteine sulfinate by cysteine dioxygenase. Cysteine sulfinate, now here NADP is required and iron is required. Cysteine sulfinate gets decarboxylated by cysteine sulfinate decarboxylase to form hypotaurine, and hypotaurine is oxidized by hypotaurine oxidase to form taurine. There is another way. Cysteine sulfinate is oxidized by oxidase enzyme, cysteine sulfinate oxidase, to form cystic acid, and cystic acid is converted into taurine by decarboxylation by cystic acid decarboxylase enzyme. Now taurine is an important conjugating agent which conjugates the bile acids. From cholesterol we get the bile acids and cholic acid, which forms cholyl coenzyme A, which is combined with taurine to form taurocholic acid. Taurocholic acid. So this reaction is catalyzed by cholyl transferase. So this is how taurine is formed and bile acid conjugation is done. Next product is cysteine. Cysteine is oxidized to cysteine. This is a reversible reaction catalyzed by cysteine reductase enzyme. NAD is required. Okay, so this is cysteine synthesis. Next is cysteine is an important constituent of protein, which is important for the disulfide bridges of many proteins like insulin, immunoglobulin, keratins, etc., and stabilizes the protein structure. Number 5 is formation of glucose through pyruvate. First it forms pyruvate. It forms pyruvate by many ways. First is it gets deaminated to pyruvate by cysteine desulfhydrase enzyme, where H2S is released, amino group is released, PLP acts as the coenzyme. So other ways by which pyruvate is formed is by transamination with some keto acid to form the corresponding amino acid, to form 3-thiol pyruvate by cysteine transaminase enzyme. This 3-thiol pyruvate is converted into pyruvate by transsulfurase enzyme. Transsulfurase enzyme H2S is also formed. Another way is by cysteine dioxygenase. Cysteine sulfinate is formed. Cysteine sulfinate is converted into beta sulfinyl pyruvate by again transamination by transaminase enzyme, alpha keto acid, amino acid. This beta sulfinyl pyruvate is converted into pyruvate. Sulfite group is released and the enzyme is desulfinase. So this is how pyruvate is formed, and pyruvate gets converted into glucose by gluconeogenesis. Next is formation of an important compound known as phosphoadenosyl phosphosulfate, which is an active sulfate and it is the sulfate group donor. This PEPS is formed from the sulfite which was produced in the previous reaction. Sulfite gets converted into sulfate by sulfite oxidase. Now sulfate combines with ATP and takes up its AMP moiety to form adenosine 5' phosphosulfate. Enzyme is ATP sulfurylase. Adenosine 5' phosphosulfate again combines with ATP to form phosphoadenosyl phosphosulfate, and this reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme adenosine 5' phosphosulfate 3' phosphokinase. Okay, so this is how PEPS is formed. Next is formation of 4-phosphopentothinyl cysteine. 4-phosphopentothinyl cysteine. This is a component of coenzyme A. So the vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid first is phosphorylated into 4-phosphopentothenate. 4-phosphopentothenate. It combines with cysteine to form 4-phosphopentothinyl cysteine. And after a series of reactions, it forms coenzyme A. This reaction is catalyzed by cystinyl transferase. CTP is required, which is converted into CMP plus inorganic pyrophosphate. These are the important metabolic reactions of cysteine. Now the inborn error of metabolism of cysteine is cystinuria. Cystinuria. It is increased cysteine in blood and urine, which causes renal stones. Cysteine stones are formed, and it is due to deficiency of transporters present in the renal membrane, and these are transporters of cysteine, arginine, lysine, and ornithine. So this cystinuria is a part of Garrod's tetrad. Garrod's tetrad, which consists of 4 inborn errors of metabolism. One is albinism, another is alkaptonuria, then cystinuria and pentosuria. So treatment is increased water intake. So this is about metabolism of cysteine. Thank you.